The 2019 Nike Air VaporMax Plus in cool gray and black has made a comeback, now available again on Nike.com. This iconic silhouette continues to hold its place in the lifestyle category, blending performance-inspired design with street-ready style. The sneaker features a cool gray neoprene upper that gives a sleek, modern look while remaining comfortable for all-day wear. Bold black accents cover the high-gloss cage overlays, nubuck heel panels, and the sole units, creating a sharp contrast that makes the shoe stand out without being over the top. Mini ankle swooshes complete the subtle detailing, keeping the design clean yet eye-catching. Perfect for those who love versatile sneakers, the VaporMax Plus pairs easily with casual and sporty outfits. With this restock, fans have a chance to grab one of the most sought-after retro-inspired sneakers of recent years. You can secure your pair today on Nike.com for $210 and enjoy the classic VaporMax comfort and style in a refreshed colorway.